Good afternoon, class. My name is Tiffany McClung, and today's debate topic is, with the economy on the mend, it's time for more businesses to launch IPOs. What are the pros and the cons? Today, I will be focusing on the pros. First, I want to start off by defining what an IPO actually is. An IPO, initial public offering, is when a company makes a decision when a private company makes the decision to offer to sell shares of its stocks to the general public. This actually changes a private firm into a public firm. In fact, that is the only way that every public trade company has to start out with an IPO. An IPO is the only way a company can convert from a public company to sell its stocks to the public. And it is also the only way that that company can get listed on the stock exchange. There are many pros and cons to IPOs. Today, I will be discussing the actual pros for the company, for the economy, and for the individual investors of when a company launches the IPO. I will start by talking about the significant benefits that a company can obtain from launching an IPO. An IPO does enlarge and diversify the firm. It enables cheaper access to capital. It also opens a company to more financial opportunities. When a company launches an IPO, or actually goes public, it can also attract more qualified employees. When an IPO is successful, it also provides the company with more cash and equity to assist them in their future ventures. It allows them the funding to fund expansion if they choose to expand or enter new markets, to do further research and development, or simply to just pay off their current debt. Another very beneficial aspect of launching an IPO is it increases the public awareness of the company. This is great for when you have a smaller company that's just emerging into the public market. It really gets them out there and puts them on the stock exchange list and introduces them to the investors. There are also many benefits for the investors. When an IPO is launched, often the stocks are priced below market value. This would give an investor, assist an investor in obtaining a good short-term return. Companies that launch IPOs they also benefit the economy, because many investors, when looking in the stock markets, are looking for the good deal, quote unquote. They often evaluate emerging businesses. This helps the economy by circulating more money into the stock market and into our economy as a whole. And as everybody knows, when a company has the funds to expand, it allows for more economical opportunities, such as new jobs or more taxes to be paid. If the company decides to build a new structure, it gives those jobs to the construction work. When a company does decide to launch an IPO and is successful, it can pose many benefits for the economy, obviously that business, the investors, and society as a whole. Thank you.